Welcome to today's tutorial. We are going to create a beautiful flower using just a few simple materials. A golden string, a bead, pilers, green floral tape and the net wire. To start, first cut 5 pieces of golden wire to your desired length using the pilers. I am making a flower of 5 petals, so I have cut 5 golden string. Then set aside one longer piece for the flower's center. So now to this center piece I am inserting the bead and twisting it and securing it with the piler. Now take the net wire and cut it according to your desired length using the scissors. So here I have taken 5 pieces of net wire and kept it aside. Now once you are done, take the net wire and insert each string inside, shaping it into petal forms and securing them with the pilers. Repeat this process for all the 5 petals. You can shape it according to your desired shape. Once complete, tie the petals together with a thread. To finish, cover the stem with the masking tape, and then after covering it, you can wrap the stem using the green floral tape. And that's it. Your stunning net wire flower is ready. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for such videos. Happy crafting!